So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you want to get your old account back in FC Mobile. So how you can do that, let's get started. First open your game and log into your account and then click on this settings icon. After that just scroll down a bit and then click on help manual button. Then you will be brought to this website, and then what you have to do is log into your account and then scroll down and click on see all help topics. After that you have to scroll down again till you find I need help recovering my mobile game. Just click on this, and then here you have to click on restore your progress. If it asks you to log into your account, just log in your account and then click on this restore your progress. After that just follow these all steps and hopefully your problem solves. And if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.